Hello and welcome to Indidra's World. Now, today I am back from Spain as of yesterday, and I decided I'd bring a little bit of Spain to you today and take the easy way out. So, I'm doing a Spanish omelette, and all my ingredients are here. There's olive oil, eggs, potato, and salt, and that's what goes into it. Now, what I've done is this is my cheat way of doing Spanish omelette. So I've parboiled my potatoes, cubed them, and put a little bit of parsley in that. Now I'm pouring in, say, 1.5 tablespoons of oil, and into that goes my potato. Now I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to cheat a bit today. So, so what else is new, right? So while this is going to brown a bit, I am going to beat the eggs up. So with a little luck, the cooker won't go off. And to that, I add a little salt. And that's done. And that goes in the sink. Sorry about that. I disappeared, but I'm back. And I'm going to brown this a bit so we get my... So the cheating reason being, rather than fry the hell out of it and put loads and loads of oil, I just par cook it. So the inside is done. And there you see it's like just firm. God, it smells nice already. Right, now in goes my egg. I'm turning it down to low so the underneath gets a bit cooked. And then I've preheated the oven and I'm going to bake the top off so we get a nice brown, happy Spanish omelette. Okay, so before that comes out in a couple of minutes, I'm going to try garnishing this for the second time because I didn't do so well earlier. So everyone likes red peppers in this household. Trying not to grate my fingers. Okay, let's just make it look pretty because it's obviously not going to listen to me today. There's my peppers. And let's pepper some more. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on that. There you go. And a very small dash of balsamic vinegar. Salt. Pepper. I think that should be almost. The tomato wasn't very happy today, so I thought I'd just slice it with a knife. Sometimes you try using a slicer and it just goes all mental. So remember to always sharpen your knives, unlike me. And there it is. And I reckon Monsieur Omelette will be ready. Give me a minute. And here is my very pretty omelette. Does look good, doesn't it? Now we just have to worry about the taste. No, I'm kidding. I can assure you it tastes very good. Woo! Don't ever hold the pan. have scalded my hands. Just get my doodah here. Now that goes out. And here you have your Spanish omelette. Now you can pop in some olives and whatever you want with it. I didn't decorate that very well, did I? Never mind. But it tastes good, I can assure you. So now the proof of the pudding. Amy, your omelette, my dear. Pedro, yours is coming up now. And that's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Until then, it's adios, amigos.